Well, of course, Battersea's use has changed drastically from what it was originally intended for, and that calls into the requirement of new facilities, new rooms, new openings. We've got to make everything look like it's been there since day one and it was designed into the original building. With that comes the requirement for designing original fixtures and architectural details, such as skirting boards, for example. The tooling and the exact design of the skirting is something that you can't get anymore. So there's been a huge requirement there on our joinery workshop to create these bespoke skirting boards. We've got a design there that we need to replicate, which is something that was designed many, many decades ago. Every single component that we work on for Battersea has got its own story, and it's such a unique piece that we get to work with. So it's been amazing to see those pieces come in. We've got the key cabinets from the control room that we're restoring and that we are tidying up and bringing them back to their former glory. We've got the massive metal doors for the director's entrance elevator. Everything's on a timescale at the end of the day, and especially with something as bespoke as Battersea, the heritage and the requirements that we have, everything has to be delivered perfectly. We can't cut corners, we can't take shortcuts. It's all got to be delivered as per the heritage requirements.